Hey guys, Uncle Ray. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Bellwether. Look at that chart right there. If that's not a thing of beauty, I don't know what is. Now, this is me waking up this morning. The markets are all down. Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything has broken through its resistance. And now, what am I doing? I'm looking at these charts in my account, just, and I'm going, go, go, go. Now, why would I be doing that? My account is just getting demolished. Why? Because I have conviction. Now, I'm not going to get into the fundamentals of Polkadot. I've made a video, check the playlist, but I have 100% conviction that Polkadot is going to be a leader in the crypto world for a long, long time. So anytime I can buy it when it's falling apart, wow, what a good day for me. You get a lot more bang for your buck. I mean, you put in $10,000 at $50, look at the amount you get. You put in at $20 or $10, you get a hell of a lot better bang for your buck. So this thing is starting to really get down there where I didn't think you'd be able to add to your bag. It's probably going to get under $20. That's phenomenal. I love it. Now, let's take a look at my strategy. Now, bear with me because, again, if you're not excited on days like this, you definitely need to watch all of this videos. Matter of fact, you should probably binge watch my entire channel. And I really mean that because I got a financial background and I've been around a lot of institutional buyers. I used to trade foreign currencies and I've been around and seen how the whales and the institutions and the hedge funds and all those people think, and you want to learn to trade and think like they do, and I want to share that type of knowledge with you guys. Now, let's look at the entry point. You don't want to miss, in my opinion, a big down day like this. You know, we've been trending down for a while, and then this is kind of just a bigger day. Well, I don't want to wake up in the morning and have missed this entire pullback and it's already back up in here. It could easily happen. So here's what most people would be looking to do that think like I do. You go ahead and deploy, say, 50% right here of your position. You allocate 50%, and if you wake up in the morning and it's already back up in here, you just let it go. You've added to your bag. Now, with any luck at all, if you wake up tomorrow and it's down again, hopefully way down past that. If it is, you deploy another 25%. If it falls apart, you add the final 25%. Now, here's the good news. If you just wanted to make a trade and you got in here, here, and here, by the time it just gets back to where it started today, you already have a pretty good substantial return. Uh, that's not what I'm looking to do. DOT is one of my favorite currencies. I'm in it for the long haul, but anytime I can add to my position way down in here, I'm excited. With a little luck, this whole market will fall apart in the morning, and it makes everybody's life better unless you just don't have any money on the side or you're scared to deploy. Now, that being said, if you're trading with scared money, you probably need to do something else uh, because the the big institutions and the big money, the whales, they're going to know exactly the mentality of the retail investors. It wouldn't surprise me at all if we wake up in the next couple of days after everyone panics and you know um, all the social media starts to get real negative. The influencers start getting negative. People start closing their positions, and then the big money steps in and goes, "That's probably the bottom. and just go boom, 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 and everybody missed it. And they're sitting there going, wow, Bitcoin's already back at 55 or 56,000, and I didn't get any of it. I didn't add to my Polkadot. I didn't add to my Solana. You know, that's what it's all about. You buy low, you sell high. You buy on the down days, you buy the dip, and you sell it to the people that buy the breakouts. That's how it works. You know, a lot of technical analysis guys, they only buy the breakouts. Well, that works great, but all the big money guys and the institutions and the market makers, they know that you want to buy the breakout, you want it to hold and close above the breakout level. So what do? They just run those stops, go the opposite, push it around, scare everybody. They miss it, and then they take it higher or take it lower. So I'm not a fan of that strategy. Yeah, if you're in an extreme bull market where, Bitcoin goes up 10, 12, 15, 20 days in a row, yeah, you can buy the breakout. But the real traders, the long-term investors, the guys that have been successful in many different markets for a long, long time, they buy on the down days. Now, one more point, and I'll let you go. Uh, you imagine that someone, a big institution, has been looking at Polkadot, and it was, say, at $40, $50. And they're going to deploy, say, $2 billion worth. Well, today is equivalent to deploying 4 million. So how good is that? And look, they have confidence because they have the same conviction that I do that Dot's going to be around for a long, long time. Look, they have so much in the pipeline for this year. The only thing that's going to hold Dot back, in my opinion, is our government regulation and some craziness like that. Or we wake up in the morning and the stock market's down 40%, real estate market's crashing. All that could just throw a wrench in everything. But if we can get our footing and Bitcoin turns around and starts to run toward its high, you're going to see Dot have a spectacular year. And instead of starting at $40 and $50, you could be down here starting under $20. How cool is that? Anyway, guys, definitely not financial advice. This is just my thought process. Hopefully, I shared some stuff, and you have an understanding of why you should be cheering on these down days. Now, look, one more thing, and I'll let you go, is these trades only work with really, really solid fundamentals. If this was a high flyer, a Dogecoin, not to rag on Doge, uh, it may not come back ever. If it doesn't have real world utility, and it's not successful, and it doesn't have an ecosystem around it, it may never come back. So I don't like those trades. I don't like the high flyers. I dabble in some of that stuff if I can stake it or get in really early, but that's not the core. This is the core of my investments. Now look at this. I love this. This absolutely floats my boat. When you look at this chart, I didn't think I would be able, or we would be able, to get into Polkadot uh, at these levels. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful, if you ask me. I mean, look at it. Hold on. I mean, look at this. Because normally, what you see in these big run ups is up in here, or it stays down and goes for a long, long, long time. But I know the utility that Dot has. So, man, I tell you, I couldn't be more excited. Anyway, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit that like button, uh, smash that notification bell so you are notified in a timely manner. These are time sensitive trades. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these. Please leave some comments, and hey, share with like minded people. Come back. We want you to be part of this community.